Hello and welcome. My name is Melissa. I am the owner and artist at the Top Drawer RVA located in Richmond, Virginia. Today, I'm going to show you, using all Dixie Belle paint products, how to achieve a gorgeous rustic look on an old wooden rocking chair. This boring brown rocking chair needed an update. I decided to use dried sage and apply a Prima transfer to give it a whole new look. The first step in painting any furniture item is to clean your product well with white lightning. White lightning is a TSP base cleanser that you can apply into a bucket or a spray bottle and clean well. This removes all old dirt and tannins. Let's paint the way with Dixie Belle paint products. Colors used today: dried sage, spray misting bottle filled with water, and a medium flat brush. Keep your brush damp in order to cover the whole entire wood surface evenly with minimal brush strokes. Using my flat medium brush, I applied 2 even coats of the dried sage. After my second coat of paint has dried, I decided to distress the edges a tiny bit. I used 3M sandpaper, distressed the edges, and pulled back the paint to look more worn and old. I wanted to add a little bit more color to my piece. I purchased this Prima transfer off of Etsy. A Prima transfer comes in sheets. You pull back the top layer, lay it down, and use the wood burnishing tool to apply it to your piece. This must be done before you apply your wax or top coat. Your Prima transfer has been applied to your wood surface. You can use a burnishing pad just to make sure that it's sealed down to the surface. I sealed this entire chair in Best Dang Wax and Clear. I used a wax brush, making sure to get into all the crevices. I then took my Best Dang Wax in Brown and applied it with a small makeup brush to the edges of the piece. I then wiped back with a wet wipe. Using Best Dang Wax in Brown is a great way to add some age to your piece. It just adds that natural, worn-out touch. I love some warm gold gilding wax. I like to apply this with either a small brush or my finger to the edges, just to add a little bit of shine. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and follow along for new videos. All products used today are linked below in the information. Don't forget to follow along on all social media at the Top Drawer RVA.